Hello, this is Matthew with OWC, and this is the new 2020 iMac 27-inch. It's now officially supporting 128 gigs of RAM, and it has the new 10th gen Intel processor. And they did some new unique things with the storage options. So let's crack open the box and see what's inside. So first we're going to peel open the seal. And here's the box of accessories. We'll set this aside and take a look at it later. Get this foam out of the way. And there's a power cable in this one, so don't forget to grab that. And so we'll get this box out of the way, and then we'll open this up. So before we open the system, we're going to take a look at the additional items that came in the box. So the first item is a standard Apple power cable. Well, this is actually particular to the newer style iMacs. And then we got this beautiful box full of accessories for you. We have a Magic Keyboard and a Magic Mouse, packet of papers, stickers, and then you have a USB-A to Lightning connector for charging your peripherals. And in this box, you got pamphlets, you got a screen cleaner, keep your screen nice and clean, and Apple stickers. That's what you got. So let's get the packaging off of this and take a look at that screen. So there it is. This is a similar form factor to previous iMacs. You got your side camera. You got that beautiful 27-inch glossy screen. And in the back, the I/O is similar. And so let's turn it around and take a look at that. All right, so here's the back of the system. We have I/O over here. We have a 3.5mm jack, card reader, 4 USB-A slots, 2 Thunderbolt 3s, and Ethernet, memory access panel so you can swap out memory easily like in previous models, power connection, and a power button. So, as mentioned previously, not a lot of changes have been made to the outside of this model, but they're going to be on the inside. We're going to have a teardown video later, so stay tuned for that. This has been OWC's unboxing of the 2020 iMac. I'm Matthew, thanks for watching.